The first step of the 12 steps to creating an automatic insurance agency is to have an automatic vision. In fact, all four of the first steps have to do with purpose. We want to have an inspiring vision, an inspiring game plan that's going to get your team members excited about what you do so that they want to work with you. We want to get your clients, your policyholders, your prospects excited about what you're offering. So the vision has to be more than, well, I want to make a lot of money and I want to go to Tahiti. It has to be something that is broader than just an individual. It has to be something that includes the team members and where they're going. It also has to be something that includes the clients. Now, all that being said, we want to start with your understanding of what you want from the agency. If you're willing to do all this work, or you did all this work to start your business, we want to make sure that you're able to get what you want out of it. Now, most agency owners, most entrepreneurs want three main things. They want X, Y, and Z. They want a certain income, they want to work a certain number of hours, and they want to do a certain type of work. So in this example here, one of our tools that we use is to help you get clear about what are your goals for your income, your hours, and your work goals. And I'm going to call those your X, Y, and Z. And those are going to relate to really what's even underlying those, which is the A, B, and C. You getting to spend time with certain people, getting to take a certain number of vacation days per year, and be able to afford the time and the money and the means to do certain activities. So again, if we look at your whole agency operation, if you're making the money you want, working the hours you want, and doing the type of work you like, chances are that's going to be a very positive thing. And then as an individual, if you're getting to spend time with the people you most enjoy outside of work and even inside work, or clients of a certain mentality or aspiration, and same thing with team members, if you get to take a certain number of vacation days each year and you get to do certain activities for fun, you're going to be enjoying the process. One of the tools we use in our coaching program to help agency owners get clear about what they want is the XYZ and ABC Goals worksheet. And if you like, you can download this at automaticinsuranceagency.com/XYZ. And what this allows you to do is very simply get clear about over 3 different time periods. And we suggest 90 days, 12 months, and 3 years as far as when you're setting your goals, though you can change these. So we want to look at, in 90 days, how much money do you want to be making? How many hours do you want to be working? And what work do you want to be doing? And in 12 months, how much money, how many hours, and what work? And then in 3 years, how much money, and again, we're talking take home for you, how many hours per week, and what work do you want to be doing? And in addition to that, on the bottom half of the worksheet, we want to look at who you're spending time with, how many vacation days you're getting during that period of time, and what activities are you getting to do for fun. So the whole focus of this is to just get clear about what you most want, so we at least know that, yes, we are going to focus on delivering something to our clients that they're willing to pay for, obviously, and we want to provide employment that our team members want to take part in. But we also want to make sure that in all of this, we're not forgetting us. We're doing all the work, we're starting the business, we're taking the financial risks, the time risks, and so we want to make sure that payoff is there for us. In addition to having a vision that's inspiring to you, we want to have something that's inspiring to your team members and to your clients. A huge part of this is having an automated sales process that filters clients and team members to do the work and to address the issues that they most want to look at. So some of your clients are going to come in and they only want auto insurance or homeowners insurance or condo insurance or any sort of that type of policy to protect their assets. And so an asset protection specialist, a PNC person, can help that client to get what they want. And that client won't do a deeper questionnaire about what's going on with their multi-line situation, what their goals and dreams and wants and needs are. They'll just simply say, I've got to get auto insurance or condo insurance or whatever it might be because I have to. Or I'll get renter's insurance because I want to protect my stuff. And those people are going to be best off served by your team members that specialize in that area. And these clients don't need to talk to you. You're the person that usually is going to be doing higher level sales, more multi-line and perhaps complex sales. So that already filters who goes where. Then a second group of people will say, I do want to make sure that my family is protected, my income is protected. Maybe I want to protect my paycheck with disability insurance. Maybe I want to protect my loved ones with life insurance. And that type of person usually will either do a questionnaire or have a multi-line review with you or one of your team members. And so that client opts in for a higher level of expertise. They really want some sort of multi-line team member to help them, someone who also has the life insurance license, and or if you do disability or other related products, they want that from them. And then there's that client that says, I want help planning for my goals and dreams. I want help looking at my assets, my liabilities, my income, my expenses. I want somebody to help advise me on my insurance portfolio and perhaps even some of my finances to help me find the money so I can get the most out of the coverages I have and then put as much money towards my goals and dreams. So I want to save for the education for my children, and I also want to have that life insurance policy in place in case something happens. So having a filtering process that allows clients to share whatever level of information they want, to get whatever level of help they want, then automatically directs them to the right person based on the expertise level and the abilities. And so it allows you to make sure that you don't have you or your most talented team members doing work that could be done by somebody who has perhaps either less training or who costs the agency less. And yet having this ability to offer the client all levels of service, all levels of expertise, allows you to know that the client is getting to choose how much they want your help protecting their income, their loved ones, and their assets, and allows you to offer something that's much more expansive of a vision than simply saying, we're going to help you insure your stuff because you have to. So in summary, we want to make sure that you have your goals laid out, that you're able to decide what you want to make in money, the hours you want to work, the type of work you want to do, so you can spend time with certain people, certain amount of time per year, and do certain activities for fun. And you also want to have a sales process in place that allows clients to accurately feel that they can select what level of help they want and allows your team members to continue growing professionally towards higher levels of expertise and income as they serve your clients better. In the next section, we're going to focus on role clarity. This is the second step in creating an automatic insurance agency, being able to clarify the roles of the experts who are going to execute your plan for your agency. We'll check that out in the next video. Again, you can get the XYZ and ABC Goals worksheet at automaticInsuranceAgency.com/XYZ. And you can get the slides that show you the automated sales process and anything else from today's call on the episode notes in the link below. If you'd like help looking at your agency situation, seeing how you can make more money in less time, do what you do best, we can schedule a strategy session where I'll ask you to fill out a form to tell me about your agency situation, your income, your marketing budget, premiums, average premiums, retention or lapse rate, all about your team members, what they're making. And when I get that information from you, we can get on a call and discuss how automated and how efficient is your agency working from a profit standpoint, and help you, if you like, look at what would be the prognosis, what would be the likely benefits if we were to work together and help you create a more automatic insurance agency for you and the people around you. So again, thanks for listening. Please let me know whatever I can do to help. Always feel free to email me at wade@automaticinsuranceagency.com. I look forward to helping you create the life and the lifestyle you most desire so you can better enjoy your family, your friends, and your life. Thanks for listening.